Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So I'm making video after a very long time because I was a bit busy with my company schedule and all. So I thought I should bring a good video for you guys. So I research on the topics like right now what kind of companies want, like what is actually the wants of a company, what companies are asking from the use from the latest one who are coming, like the latest fellows who are coming after doing CCNA and all. So I thought I should research on that, and I found like one thing which is very much a bit important for you guys is to understand how can we upgrade our Cisco switches and router, because we should know like how can we upgrade our Cisco switches. There are little bit switches, routers, firewalls are there. So first thing we should know like how to upgrade those things, because if you don't know and how to upgrade those Cisco switches and router, you may get a big problem in what actually the problem you will face. Like for example, there is a Cisco switch and that switch is not yet upgraded. So if any malware attacks happens, it will cause problem to your Cisco switches and Cisco devices. Okay, so I thought I should make video on that. So come on, let's see like how can we upgrade the Cisco switch and router and understand technology whole. Thank you. Okay, so first of all, what we will do, we'll open our packet tracer, because right now I don't have the original devices so that I can make the upgradation of the switches. So what I'm doing here, I'm opening the packet tracer and showing you guys like how to update the Cisco switches and routers or other devices. So here you can see I have made a notepad file. In that notepad file I have given you the steps that how to configure the devices. So first of all, what you will do, will log in into the device via console. Then you will give the IP address to the any logical interface. For example, if you are configuring a Cisco switch 2960, so you'll go to that interface VLAN 1, and then you'll give the IP address. After that, what you will do, will download the device latest iOS from the Cisco website. So you can download from anywhere. It's depend on your wish. And after that, connect your system via console as well as Ethernet cable to that device. So what you will do, first of all, I'll show you one time so that you can understand. First, let me open the packet tracer here. So first of all, you'll take your device like this. Then you will put one switches. Let's say this is your 2960 switch. So first you'll connect your device with the console, and so it's connected, and then you have to connect your device with the Ethernet cable also. Okay, so after connecting your device with the Ethernet cable, you have to give an IP address to the interface of your static IP you'll give, and that static IP, what you will do, will come here and check here. You have to mention that static IP. Okay, so after doing that, you have to give that IP, and after giving the IP, your work is done for the PC related. Now you'll go to the Cisco switch, and then in this switch you have to create an interface VLAN. So enable here, go to configure terminal, interface VLAN 1, let's say, and give the IP address. Let's say 192.168.1.1, 255.255.255.0, and no shut. So this interface is up. Now if you want to ping, you just need to give that same network IP. So I'll give 192.168.1.10 and 192.168.1.10. Done. After that, just try to ping with that. So ping 192.168.1.1. So reply will come. Yeah, you can see that reply is coming. So that means the connection has been built. Now you have to download the iOS. So right now it is not possible because I am using the Cisco packet tracer. So you'll go to that website of Cisco or any other website, and you will download the packet tracer. Sorry, the Cisco iOS file, whichever iOS you want to upgrade. Then you need to download the tftp 64 by 32 application. So this application you have to download. After downloading this application, you have to select your internal interface. Like this is the interface I'm selecting here. First of all, you'll go here, type ncpa.cpl. Here I'm having Ethernet to Wi-Fi and other interfaces are there. So let's say you have connected with the Ethernet. So let's say you have connected with this one or this one, whichever interface. I say this one you have connected. So this is your interface. You'll select that interface and you'll put it here. After that, you'll show the directory. Then the directory file, if you'll find out this file, you just select that file and then close it. After that, so this file where it is coming, it is coming via Explorer. So if you type Explorer here, so here all the Cisco files are there. I have downloaded and I have kept all the files, like the binary iOS files are here. Okay, so you just select that files and it will open in that interface. You need to do this only. After doing this, what you will do, you'll just keep it like that. That means your server is on, it's working. And then you have to go back to your Cisco switch and then you have to type the following commands in the privilege mode. So you'll type copy tftp colon. After that, you have to give the IP address. So here, this is the command. You have to give the IP address, which is the static IP you configured. Then you will give the path where you have kept your Cisco IOS and then enter. And with that flash, you have to mention this one. So because you are copying your file from your device, which is your 192.168.1.6 from to that flash, so you have to mention this. And then after that, after it is copied, then what you can do, you can just go to your device and you can type like show flash. So after that, if you type that, you can see one file will be there already, because that file is already there in the packet tracer. So I have not changed anything here. So this file you will find one more file with that. And after that, what you can do, you can just type this following commands: configure terminal, then boot system flash with the name of the file, and then enter. So I'll show you how to do that. That it is simple. Just go to this one, copy this file name, copy configure terminal, conft boot. So this is the command here, configure terminal. After that, boot system, and here you have to mention the path. Okay, so I have in the file in the flash colon, and then paste the name of the file, enter, done. And then what you will do, you will just reload your system. So for reloading, what you will type, you can type here Control Z, or else you can type here one command is there which you can type. Command is like Control Z reload. This is one command. So if you want to modify, yes, and then enter, confirm. One more command is there, I'll tell you which is what's the command actually. So it is loading the latest flash which you have downloaded and installed in the flash. Okay, so it's working fine. The latest command was like do reload. So if you type this one also, it will do that same thing. Okay, if you are in the configure terminal. Hope you have understand what actually I want to show you. So thank you for making this video, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.